What's going on, guys? Josh here from N&J. Today is going to be kind of a quick video, but we are going to be talking about how me and Nick both quick detail our bikes. This isn't going to be a full wash. It's like 30 degrees outside, so we're not going to bust out the power washer or anything crazy like that. But in about 4 days, I'm taking my motorcycle down to the dealership I bought it at to get some warranty repairs done to it. We'll talk about that in a different video, but I'm going to show you guys kind of the product that Nick and I both prefer to use when we do like a quick wash or a quick wax, quick detail, whatever you want to call it. So we use this FW1. It's a wash and wax. We'll show you guys kind of how good it works. It's no water required, which is especially nice for somebody like me who has a matte painted bike. You're not going to see like scratches and shit as easily as if it's like a gloss painted bike like Harleys and stuff, or even like the gloss painted Indians. So it's definitely one of the best products I've ever used, and kind of show you guys how it works a little bit. So you guys can see, if he kind of gets close to here, you can see how dirty my back fender is. I love the look of this bike and I love how it's white, but definitely gets dirty super easily. So like obviously there's two ways you can do this. You can spray it directly onto the back fender, spray it onto the cloth. I think for something like this, I'm just gonna go directly on the back. So you don't need a lot. You can see how easily it just got all that dirt off, and it already looks way better. If I was gonna do like a full clean, I would do it separately. I would power wash it, wipe it down with soap and water, and then I would do a wax, so kind of make it really shiny. This one's just going to a shop, so I just don't want to have a dirty bike when I take it there, have them make fun of me. Trying to do that one hand is weird. So this has been dirty ever since I bought it. These little 4 circles are from the stoppers on the seat, and I know those aren't going to come off, but while I'm back here, I'll try and get most of this dirt off. Again, you guys can see how easily all that dirt just came off. Again, if I was doing a full wash, I would, I've taken this fender off before to clean like the entire thing and kind of get up on the sides, but not too worried about that today. All right, another thing that I think is really cool about this stuff is it cleans not only like these types of surfaces like fenders and tanks, but it can also clean like exhaust. So you can see right here, I actually went over it a little bit the other day, but sometimes like when we're out in the garage just hanging out, I sit on the bike and I put my foot up here, causes a little bit of a footprint. So I did this when it was hot, which I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but I'm gonna do it again real quick. Show you guys how easily it can just pull shit off of there. I got a little bit on the swing arm. So yeah, this stuff is the way to go. I'm sure in the springtime, Nick and I will we want to do like wash and talk type videos where we just have a microphone on and the camera set up on a tripod and we're washing our bikes or our cars, just kind of having a conversation. But for now, just kind of showing you guys a quick video on how him and I both like to do a little quick detail on our cars, or our bikes, not our cars. Maybe the cars one day. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing cleaned up and we'll show you guys the finished product. Oh, don't forget to clean the balls. Much better. So anyways, yeah, thanks for tuning in. This is kind of a quick one, kind of threw this video together real quick. If you guys are looking for a good thing, especially for like a quick winter wipe down like what this is, I definitely recommend FW1. I don't even know where you can find this. I don't even know where we got it. Just kind of showed up in the garage one day and it's, oh, Levi. No, he gave us that.
Yeah, no, that is him. He gave us that.
So our buddy Levi gave this to us. I'll have to ask him where he got it, but this stuff rocks. And stay tuned for a video. We may or may not film me taking this bike down to the dealership I got it at and kind of talk about what happened there. So make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for more content, and we'll catch you guys later.